Hi, in this video I am going to demonstrate expression horizontal macro with constants in IICS. Here I am going to demonstrate employees categories based on salary ranges. I have created 3 horizontal constant macros. One is IncomeMin, second is IncomeMax, and third one is EmployeeType. IncomeMin is mapped with the low end salary ranges, and IncomeMax defines the high end salary ranges, and EmployeeType it lists the job category that corresponds to each range. And here I have created one outfield which is mapped with horizontal expression, micro expression, and you can see IncomeMin I have taken 5,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh, IncomeMax 50,000, 1 lakh and 1,50,000, and EmployeeType I have taken tester, developer and lead. Here if the salary ranges in between 5,000 to 50,000, he will be tester. If salary range is greater than equal to 50,000, less than 1 lakh, he will be developer. If salary range is less than equal to 1 lakh and less than 1,50,000, he will be lead. I have created output field employee status. It is mapped with horizontal macro expression. It is going to expand in this form of when we run the task. If salary is greater than equal to 5,000 and salary is less than 50,000, will be tester. If salary is greater than 50,000 and salary is less than 1 lakh, he is the developer. If salary range is greater than equal to 1 lakh and less than 1,50,000, he will be lead. Other than these ranges, the employee status will be unknown. Let us go to the database. Here I am using the Oracle database. Like you can see, this is the Oracle database. It is having 6 records with employee ID, employee name and salary. Similarly, I have created the target table in another database in Oracle. This is employee ID, employee name and salary. Additional field is employee status. Okay. Let us go to the mapping, create the mapping. Go to new, mapping. I will give the mapping name as m_horizontal constant macro. I will map this source to the source table. I will select source table. Here my source table is src_employee, and I will add an expression transformation. In expression transformation, as we discussed, I am going to create 3 input macro field. One is IncomeMin, second one is input macro IncomeMax, and third one is third macro input macro is EmployeeType. And all these 3 macros I am going to configure with constants. I am going to add the constant, as it is IncomeMin is having the constant. First is 5,000, second one is 50,000, and third one is 1 lakh. And IncomeMax configured with constant value 50,000, 1 lakh, and 1,50,000. and this employee type is configured with constant string values, that is tester. I need to enclose these values in single quote. This is very important, tester. And developer and lead. This is very important. We have to enclose these values. These are the string values. We have to enclose in the single quote. Now I am going to create the output field. I will give this output field name as employee status or employee type, and it is of string type. I will mark the precision as 100. I will configure this output field with the horizontal macro. I will use the built-in function for horizontal expression. I will use OPR if statement. Here I am going to give the statement like in the bracket. I am select the field in here. If salary is greater than equal to minimum income minimum and salary is less than income maximum macro, then it returns the employee type, matching employee type, else unknown. I cannot validate over here because the macros are not validated in mapping level. So I will click OK. So you can see salary is greater than equal to income min and salary is less than income max, then it will return employee type, otherwise unknown. If there is no matching range found, it will return unknown. I will go to the target. I will map the target TGT database. I will select the target is TGT and underscore employees, and I will go to field mapping. There I am going to map the fields employee ID, employee name, salary, and for employee type I am going to use this out field, and I will save this mapping. My mapping is valid. Now it is saved. I will create the mapping configuration task for this mapping. I will create new mapping task, MCT underscore mapping. I will select the secure agent. I will get next. I will finish this MCT. My mapping configuration task is ready. I will run this task. I will go to my jobs. Your update is available. I will refresh it. Update is available. Refresh it. Refresh. Now you can see 6 rows processed. You can see sources and source 6 row processed and target 6 row processed. Let me go to database. I'll check target. You can see the salary range is this. The first person Ramesh is having 1000. It is out of range, so unknown. Raju is range is in between 5000 to 50,000. He is a tester. Ganesh is 50,000 to 1 lakh. He is a developer. Mahesh is 50,000 to 1 lakh. He is a developer. Krishna, he is his range is 1 lakh to 1 lakh 50,000 lead, and Mahadev, his range is 1 lakh to 1 lakh 50,000 is lead. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day.